This is a hair sausage. I don't actually know if that's what this is called, but that's what we're going with. Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't make any comments about my hair. It is wash day. For the first time, I wanted to do this on camera. This is the viral TikTok hair sausage. I don't really fucking know. I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. Before I go to bed, I want to put my hair in this. In the morning, I show you guys what it looks like. Every single girl that I've seen using this, her hair looks amazing. The only other heatless curl thing I've ever done are my flexi rods. They look like this. And basically what you do, take it when your hair's wet and you like wrap your hair around it and then you like curl it around. Sleep on these all night. My curls come out gorgeous with these. It just takes a little bit of time. I feel like this is gonna be a lot easier. So excited to try this with you guys. I'm gonna wash my hair, be right back. I'm just gonna give my hair some time to dry. I don't want it sopping wet.
There's gonna be a lot of pieces underneath that won't be able to dry.
I'm gonna put in a leave-in conditioner, kind of wait maybe like 15-20 minutes. I'm using this Ion BB Cream Repair leave-in conditioner. I get this from Sally's Beauty Supply. This stuff is amazing. This is the only leave-in conditioner I will use on my hair because it's not weighing. It's extremely hydrating, which I need. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers. I put like a pretty solid amount of leave-in conditioner in my hair. It feels really good. Which color do you think I should use? I think I might do the blue one. The blue makes my eyes stand out. Not that it matters, but like I'm filming a video, so my hair dries really fast. It's been about 10 minutes, but I want to start doing this now because I don't want it to be completely dry by the time I'm done wrapping all of this up. It comes with little directions with pictures. Cute. We're gonna want to put it in the middle, take the clip like that. And this is basically just to make sure that it stays in one spot. So it's gonna look a little silly, but we're gonna make it work. And if you see me looking over here, I have a mirror, which you can also see. This doesn't even like, I feel like once I start going with it, I'll get it. But like, it doesn't even say how you start. It just says, start braiding the hair from one side. It's not braiding. I'm just gonna do like what they do in the videos because obviously the directions are cute, but they're not giving directions. I've seen people, they take one piece of hair and they wrap it around and then they like take another piece of hair. Is that how you do it? You like take another piece of hair and you like wrap that around? Trust and believe, this is honestly, like I knew this was gonna be a little bit complicated. Like my hair is very thick. Like it doesn't look thick, but
I got a lot of hair.
I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be flat. This is like hard. See, I knew this was gonna be hard, y'all. All right, so I have 3 pieces of hair.
Okay, so I'm gonna take another piece from the back. See, now I'm like really confused. So what if I take that piece and I like bring it around?
This is a lot.
I don't understand. So I tried it the first time. I had no idea what I was doing. So we're gonna try it again. I'm starting with a piece like this and I'm wrapping it around. I'm taking another piece from the back and wrapping that piece around the front. You ever like see a hairstyle and you're like, oh my gosh, that literally came out so pretty and it looks so easy? Yeah, that's probably not gonna be the case, like for the most part. I'm gonna come back. Why can't I just take all of my fucking hair and just like wrap it around? Like why does it have to be so fucking complicated? But as you can see, I got frustrated. Like I said, I have a lot of hair, so I don't understand how I'm supposed to do this, especially when I just washed it. So like, this is what we have. I don't know how I could make it any better. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna take a piece from the front and wrap it around so it's flat. Take another piece, add to that piece. So obviously, we can see that I understood this side a lot better. I did it like a different way. I didn't start with like 2 pieces. Like I just started with one piece. It's actually hard to do this when your hair is like silky, like fresh out of the shower, because it won't stay. Get the pieces that were, oh my gosh. Hair's all one length too, so I really can't imagine having layers. Like, even though layers are cute, I'm sorry, but I can't deal with it. See, like, what? I just don't understand. It's already falling out. Like, bro, everybody makes it look so easy. Okay, so this is the side that we have, and this is the other side. Like, what is this?
This is coming out. We're doing this. This is disgusting.
We have this side, like, that should stay. Don't take a piece from here and take a piece from the back and cross it over. It's confusing as fuck, and you're never gonna be able to figure it out. I'm just gonna do exactly like I did this side. I'm so tired. I really hope I'm gonna be able to sleep on this. Back over. I'm gonna take a piece from here, just making sure the hair is laying flat. Okay, so this looks extremely goofy. I got all of my hair. Oh, it's okay. It's alright. It's fine. Just a baby hair. I'm just gonna tighten up this side a little bit and put a shower cap on, and I'm gonna go to bed. We're gonna see how this looks in the morning. I really hope this was worth it, because honestly, it was a little bit stressful, but it's okay. It's okay. It's our first time trying it. I'm gonna get some sleep. I will see you guys in the morning. Ugh. Good morning. I slept with a shower cap on. My honest thoughts, it was miserable. I don't know how people sleep on these. Mine's not like hard, but it's just thick. I was up like every hour of the night. I had a shower cap on, and as you can see, majority of it has already like slipped out. Yeah, I know people are gonna be like, you didn't do it tight enough. Look, it's hard to get it tight enough when you're trying to keep it at the top of your head, and you're trying, like, I can only wrap it so tight because it would just pull the whole thing off, like, you know, especially when I just washed my hair and my hair was like really silky and soft. I just did not want to stay. So this is what we have. All right, let's see the disastrous mess that I created. Very interesting. Some of these are only curled on the ends. I mean, it's a little bit more than I thought I was gonna do. I don't know if I like it. Like, my roots look really flat. Got a lot of static going on right now. Parts of this side may still be a little wet. Maybe I could have waited just a little bit longer for it to dry. Let's look at the back. Kind of disappointed. Like, I really didn't think it was gonna be that hard to like keep my hair around this, but this is really like silky. My flexi rods would have done a lot better. Oddly enough, they're not that uncomfortable to sleep on. Like, I can sleep on these. When I like put this on the top of my head and clipped it in the middle like that, it kind of made like a rat's nest like up here. See, there's like a tangle right there. I don't really know how you're supposed to clip that on top without pulling or tangling your hair. Got those on Amazon. If you do want them, this isn't sponsored, but I will link this down below. All different kinds of colors that you can choose from. I think they were like $8. It's definitely a good deal. I just don't have the patience for something like that. Seeing people using like the tie that goes around their robe and making one like that. I'm trying to get some more girlies in here. My last video attracted a lot of unwanted male attention. If you're a girl and you made it to the end, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.